Morning everyone. Morning, welcome to Backstreet Customs. Freezing cold 7th of January I think now, isn't it? Yeah. So I'm up at the garage. Been furloughed today, so which is not fun. I like to be working, but I come up here in the freezing cold. But I do some bits and pieces with the bikes. Today I've got a few little bits I've got to do. I've got to do a video for a carburetor company that given me I paid for a carburetor, and I fitted it, and it all works. So I gave them a good feedback, and they said would I do a video on fitting the carburetor which they can use, and I said yeah, okay, fine. You know, would have liked that before I bought the bloody carburetor, so I didn't have to buy it. Yeah, it's fine. But they're cheap Chinese Solexes, but they're a new brand. I've not seen them before, and they reckon they test them before they go on, so we'll see. It does work. I put it on, bolted it all up, didn't touch any of the screws on it, and it just run, and it started. So yeah, I don't know how long it'll last, but you know, we'll see. So today I'm going to be doing that carburetor video, and hopefully take the fuel pump off the rally bug, yeah, and then get that going hopefully, and find out why the fuel pump's not working. So yeah, bear with me. I'll keep you entertained for 10 minutes. Alright, some of the bits that I've got this morning. That's the lock off for the fuel pump. I've got an electronic fuel pump. I did have this wonderful facet fuel pump, but it decided to pack up. I've never used it. I put it on, probably been sitting for a couple of years, and it doesn't work, which is a nightmare, especially with how much they cost. I've got a tool for my getting the old one of these out, because my one's broken off. They always do, so that could be an issue. So I'm going to try and get the old one out. So I've got some taps. I bought this great machine. I don't know if it works, never tested it yet, so we'll see. Fuel pump, not an expensive one, only a cheap Chinese thing. Actually it's probably Taiwan, because Chinese ones are not great. I'll try and do it one-handed. So yeah, not far off that facet pump. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, I think it is Dutch, or no, it's not Chinese. Well, we'll see if that works today. We'll get that, get the rally bug working. This is Salzburg beetle. The rally. Let's get some pictures of it. We've got to work inside there. Got the roll cage in there and other bits. Got the lock off steering wheel. Yeah, what I've found is I took the old stack out. It's broken on the end. I looked down inside, can't see anything. Another push rod, longer push rod tube. Push this one through. This is a brand new one. I put that in, dropped it down, put the push rod tube on, push rod for the fuel pump on it. Then I turn this, and nothing. Oh, moving a bit, but something not right there. Yeah, not moving. So I think I'm just going to put the electric fuel pump on and go from there. It's moving a fraction, but I don't know, it doesn't make sense. I mean, it should move more than that. Alright, it's the electric fuel pump then, plan B. Okay, fuel pump's in, pipes are connected. I'm going to put some fuel in, put the spark plug, put the battery on and see how it goes. So yeah, bear with me, and I'll get it all up and running hopefully. Well, I'll always see that the pump doesn't work. Yeah, what I've found is this fuel pipe is really bad. Really just basically just collapsed on the inside, so no fuel was getting through. So avoid that stuff. Buy that stuff. That's really good. This one, that's the proper fuel hose, which is good for ethanol and everything else. But that one, I mean, it's just collapsed. It's just nothing, and that's supposed to be a fuel pipe. What a con! What a rip-off! I'm not buying that again. All right, so yeah, fuel pipe, fuel filter, new fuel pipe does help. It's got to have these fibres in it for it to work better. So let's have a look, see if that works. Right, yeah, new fuel pump fitted for petrol actually in there, which is good. I think I'm going to buy another distributor because I had a big issue. Loads of fuel and stuff like that ignited and blew a hole in the oil. I was trying to get a screw off. I'm trying to get a Jubilee clip off that, and I must have hit this and it just ignited, bang, fuel everywhere. And yeah, so a bit of a drama. Changed the coil. I'm not 100% with the coil. Changed the points, and the spark is really crap. So I'm going to buy another points and condenser, maybe another coil, you know, a really good one, and then we'll go from there. And I think I'm going to put this fuel filter under the fuel tank instead of up here at the at this end. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. But it almost turned over, it almost started. Just another issue, but at least the other bug, the bumblebee's running now. So see how it goes. Yeah, a bit of a drama today with the beetle and with the engine and stuff, but got the fuel pump working eventually. I've changed the pump a few times, primed it a little bit so it would get a bit of fuel through. I think the problem was I was having a fuel tank on the floor, and gravity, of course, fuel doesn't go upwards unless it's pumped, and this fuel pump only works when the fuel is in there already, and then it pushes it up. It doesn't really suck it all the way. Well, it does, but this one doesn't. I don't know why. It probably needs a bit of priming to get it going. So now I know the fuel pump works. I'm still thinking about putting the electronic one on there just in case. I think I'm going to change the coil, because I don't know if the coil is brilliant or not. The spark is really very poor. The distributor, and I blew up my electronic ignition, which is great. That's another 40 quid down the drain. Oh, never ending, isn't it? I don't know what it was, but I think I heard something out and a big bang, you know, massive bang, and smoke coming out of the distributor. So not happy about that. Always remember, turn the the ignition was off, but yeah, disengage the battery. Lesson learned. But all right, I'll keep you all posted, and yeah, new bits to buy. It's never ending with Beetles. So new coil, distributor cap, maybe a whole distributor, or just points and condenser. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and like the page if you like it. Comment if you think it's if it needs anything. Maybe put my hat straight, does help. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll update you on the next one.